Hello again, and welcome back to our English podcast for beginners. This is A1, episode 4, and today we'll learn how to talk about where you're from in English. When you meet someone new, it's normal to ask where they're from. In English, we can say, "Where are you from?" "Where do you live?" Here's how we can answer. I'm from Morocco. I'm from Spain. I'm from the United States. I live in Paris. I live in a small city. Remember, I'm from means your country or origin. I live in means your current home or city. Where are you from?
I'm from Italy. Where are you from?
I'm from Mexico. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Now, let's practice together. Repeat after me. Where are you from? I'm from your country. Where do you live? I live in your city. Nice to meet you. Excellent. You did a great job. You're doing amazing. Now you can greet someone, introduce yourself, ask how they feel, and talk about where you're from. That's wonderful progress. See you in the next episode, where we'll learn how to talk about your age and numbers. Bye-bye.